Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this steam cleaner. So let's get everything unboxed and then I'll show you what comes with this. Okay, so in this set, you get your handheld steamer. I love the gray and pink colors. On the front is the nozzle. The safety cap is on the top. You have your steam button, and then you have this child-proof lock. On the bottom here is your indicator light. When that is red, it lets you know the steamer is heating up. When the lights go off, it's ready to use. And then you have your long power cord here that's going to make it super convenient to clean further away from your outlets. Next, you get your little measuring cup. You want to make sure that you don't fill this with any more than 350 milliliters of water. You get a funnel so you can easily pour the water in. Then over here, you've got your extension nozzle. This is going to make it super simple and easy to get into tighter or more awkward spaces, or it's just going to give you convenience of reach so you're not having to get down or up on anything to clean. And then right here is your ironing attachment. You can attach this little cloth cover to do your fabrics, upholstery, and stuff like that. Or you can attach your window squeegee onto this piece and do your windows. And then you get your straight nozzle attachment here. You get this little bristle option. You get a wire bristle brush attachment. And then you get this little bent nozzle. So you get so many different attachments and pieces with this, making it super easy to customize your cleaning process regardless of where that may be or what items you might be cleaning. Attaching your pieces is super simple and quick, so you can simply attach things directly to the end nozzle like this if you need something short. Or you can do like your straight nozzle here and put this on and then twist it into place so that it locks. And then from there, you can attach things like your little bristle pieces or like your bent nozzle. The little window attachment is super simple and easy. You just want to clip in these bottom pieces here and then snap it into place and it's ready to go. All right, so let's go give this a try. I'm gonna try it in a few different places and tell you my experience. So we're gonna get this set up and then we'll try it out. So with the device unplugged, you wanna unscrew your safety cap, place your funnel, pour your water. Now we're gonna replace the safety cap and we're gonna make sure it is nice and tight. All right, and then we're gonna get it plugged up. And it does take about 3 to 4 minutes to heat up, so it's super quick and easy. The little indicator light switched from red to green, so it's ready to use. Alrighty, so I just finished testing this out in a few different locations on a few different products with different attachments. So I started off with my soap holder from my bathroom, and it had some heavy built up soap that I really haven't attempted to get off until today, and it really did an awesome job. Now it did still take a little bit of scrubbing, but aside from that, this loosened everything so much. It made it a much quicker job than if I had tried letting it soak or sat there and scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed with no end. And I didn't have to use any chemicals, so huge plus. I think it did an awesome job there. Next, I used it on my kids' stuffed animals just to give it kind of like a steam sanitize and just like a little bit of a refresh. And that was with the iron attachment and the little cloth cover. So I love that this can double as a way to sanitize things. All right, I think that we're out of water, so I'm going to show you how to make sure everything is empty so you can unscrew the cap and get it refilled. Okay, so first things first, you want to unplug it. Then you want to let out all of the built up steam. This works best if flipped upside down. Now you can take off the lid. So you have to make sure that everything is out, all of the pressure that's built up and the steam is done, and then it will allow you to take the cap off. So from here you can be done with it, or you can add more water and keep cleaning. And lastly, I tried it here in my garage on my window. Now this thing was filthy. It had some heavy built up dirt and grime, so I really wanted to put it to the test. I used the extension piece as well as the like iron attachment and the squeegee to do the glass, and I loved it. And then I switched to just using the extension piece to really get in the crevices of the inside of the window where lots of stuff had piled up. Now, it is not going to fully take away all of that dirt and grime, so it does take some like wiping and then kind of steaming it again, wiping and steaming it and continuing. I did not use anything with bristles to help scrub, to help lift anything that was like deep in cracks or crevices. So overall, I think it did an awesome job. It definitely helped loosen things up. If you are someone that loves to deep clean, if you don't like using chemicals, or if you just need a little extra help to help loosen things up so you can easily wipe them away, this is a phenomenal product. There are so many places that this could be an amazing option and super helpful and just reduce how much elbow grease you have to put into things. So I absolutely love it. I know I'm going to be using it often, if nothing else, at least once or twice a month for some deep cleaning. So if you are looking for a tool to help you clean without chemicals, this is a phenomenal option and I would definitely give it a try.